Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about something that one of my patients just recently visited me and talked about that matter. He told that whenever I eat food, I have clicking sound and that make me conscious. Whenever I'm at parties or any social gathering, I get embarrassed and I get conscious about it. What can I do and how can I prevent it? So, here I need to explain you first that clicking sound is not just a bad manners. It is something when your TMJ, that means temporomandibular joint, is unevenly placed to each other. That's when you face this. This can be due to some of the factor as dry mouth, when you chew faster, or when your dental alignment is not proper. So, what are the cautions of it? First, take a small bite. Second, before eating, have a water. Second, please check with your dentist that how's your dental alignment. Is that proper or not? This all can prevent you from that clicking sound. Thank you everyone. I will be here with such more dental insightfuls and please send me your questions so that I can help you out and give you the all the preventive cautions that can be taken.